I'll be talking about income diversification and income seasonality among smallholder farmers in the kilos of Tanzania. And to just clarify before I begin, what do I actually mean by income diversification and income seasonality? So income diversification refers to income generation from multiple sources of activities, and income seasonality refers to the variation in the farmer's income over a period of 1 year, and I looked at that by monthly sections. So before I get too far into like my methods and results, I just wanted to give you all some context about what the literature on income diversification and seasonality talks about. So there are 4 main points I want to touch on. First is that like within the setting of rural Africa, income diversification is the norm rather than the exception. So for us, like we tend to think of our income coming from one job or one source, but in Tanzania and in other African countries, it's actually very normal for rural farmers to have multiple income sources. Second, the amount of income earned from non-farms or non-crop sources is actually quite significant. So we tend to think of farmers as primarily farming, but actually some studies estimate about 45% of farmers' income comes from sources other than what we typically think of as farming. And then thirdly, there's some disagreement in the literature over whether farmers want to diversify or whether they're kind of pushed into diversification due to external factors such as like climactic shocks or changes in the market, while others think that farmers instead are kind of pulled into diversification because it offers better opportunities to earn more income and kind of improve their livelihoods. There are 2 papers, the 2 more recent papers were done in Tanzania, and they kind of have the view that it's more of a pull scenario than a push scenario, at least in Tanzania. And then lastly, about seasonality. So like agricultural production is kind of naturally seasonal. You can only plant at certain times, harvest at certain times for different crops. But, and so that makes farmers' income occur at particular time periods during the year. So it's thought that farmers are able to choose to diversify in order to even out their flow of income throughout the year by like not only having crop income, but also income from other sources that may not be attached to the same seasonal cycles. So where I conducted my field practicum was in the Kilosa district of Tanzania. Here are a few nice pictures to get the feeling. Kilosa is located in kind of the central area of Tanzania near Morogoro, if you're familiar with Tanzania. Just to give an idea of some basic characteristics of the Kilosa district, they have a population of about 440,000 people. The average household size is 4.2 people. The rural population is about 70% of the total population, and nearly all of those in the rural areas are engaged in agriculture. And just to give an idea of like the typical standard of living for like a area in rural Tanzania, like the majority of houses have earth floors, so generally like fairly low levels of income in these areas. So the organization that I worked with was called the Tanzania Forest Conservation Group, or TFCG for short. TFCG was founded in 1985 with the mission of conserving Tanzania's forests. Right now, they're in the midst of implementing a multi-sectoral, pretty large project financed by the Swiss Development Corporation. And the components of this project are sustainable charcoal production, forest monitoring and mapping village savings and loans groups and also farmers field groups. So here in the picture here, this is me with a village savings and loans group after they disperse their funds after their cycle of saving. And in this picture, I'm with the TFCG field officer, Michael Nilongo, who helped me during most of my field work. And so part of the reason that TFCG is focused on farmers, even though they're a forest conservation organization, is because in Tanzania, agricultural expansion and poverty are two of the main drivers of deforestation in Tanzania. So that's why they're interested